Hi, Rob here at the Rack Shop, and today we're going to take a quick look at a horizontal kayak carrier. This one is from Yakima. This is Yakima HandRoll. So real quick, the HandRoll and the deckhand are half sets. So if you're shopping online, you know, hey, this one's really inexpensive and it's a kayak carrier. Well, it's you're half right. So they sell them in sets of 2 because you can either pair them with another set of the HandRoll to complete your set, or you can get the deckhand, which is another half set, and it's a different style carrier altogether. We'll link to it either in the video or in the description below, so you can check that one out too. So here, again, it's the half set of the HandRoll. The HandRoll is a horizontal carrier that has 2 hefty built-in rollers, and that helps with loading and unloading of your kayak. So just so you know what to expect when you get the box, this box here is about 20.5 by 7.5 by about 4.25. Relatively lightweight. Let's open it up and take a look. All right. So this is what you get. Of course, you've got your manuals handy. You've got your round bar adapters. So this does have universal fitting hardware, so it fits most bars on the market. Use these adapters if you're still using the Yakima round bar for a much greater connection there. You also have one strap for bow or stern and one heavy duty load strap. Of course, you buy your second set and then you'll have the remainder that you need. So let's go ahead and just pull one of these out so you can take a closer look. Here, I'll bring it up to the camera. So here you go, you got 2 pretty beefy rollers here, and you actually have a brake for this one, so it locks that in place. You've got this little pull tab here, pull it out, spin that around to where it can engage in its catch, and now this roller becomes free spinning. So before you travel, go ahead and spin that back, and that'll catch and lock it in place. Mounting hardware, it's similar to other solid hardware that Yakima uses. You've got this turn knob here, spin that loose, and that'll loosen from here. While I loosen that up a bit so I can mount it to this crossbar, right here you can actually see a housing for a Yakima SKS lock core. So what that does, if you opt to get the locks, which they don't affect the weight it holds, it's simply a security element. But if you opt to get that, it'll prevent somebody from being able to come up and unscrew that to remove it. So now we've got this nice and loose, so you can see how that works better. So as you tighten this, it'll draw it in and clamping onto the bar, which we'll clamp it right here for you on our roof rack. So all you do is open it up a little more, drop that down onto the bar, and then give that good tighten. Nothing too crazy, just nice and firm. That's good there. If you have the locks, you go ahead and lock that up. But now you've got it mounted, and this does pivot around. So this is going to be the outside, and you have the opposite one. So they kind of lean inward, and that way kind of better forms to your hole shape. Again, you've got your rollers. So you got the brake on this one. Pretty straightforward. So again, this is the HandRoll. Any other features? It can handle a boat up to 80 pounds when you, of course, pair it with a second set of kayak mounts. But this is a horizontal carrier, so the same way the boat sits in the water, it's gonna sit on the roof, which can be quite wide. So if you're carrying one boat, this is the best way to transport it. Hydrodynamic in the water translates to aerodynamic in the air. But if you do want to carry more than one boat, or your boat and some other gear, you might look at a vertical kayak carrier like the J-Lo or the J-Hook. We'll drop links to those in the description below if you want to check those out. But make sure you subscribe, because we will be posting the next video, which is the deckhand. So a great pairing for this unit as well. So hopefully this is useful, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And like always, Thanks for watching.